Hi dear friends, welcome back to mathematics online class. In a previous class, people have studied that what is the composition of the two functions and how to find the G circle F is denoted by composition of two function is denoted by G circle F and as well as F circle G. And whenever the two different functions are given, how to find the composition of the two function, several examples people have taken. Let's take a few more example. Two problems are over. Now take the next example, third one. F of x is equal to cos x and g of x is equal to 3x square. Find the F circle G and G circle F. To find the F circle G and G circle F, provided that to find the G circle F is having a function from A into B, G is a function from B into C. Here it is a codomain, here it is a domain, E is the same. In such case, we can easily find that G circle F is a function from A into C. We'll get it. Are you sure about this one? Similarly, G is some function from B into C and F is a function from C into some another function or another set A. Here it is a codomain, here it is a domain, must be same. In such case, we can easily find that F circle G is a function from what is the value B into A, will get it. Okay, this is how we have to get the composition of the two function denoted by G circle F and the F circle G, provided that earlierly I just given that F is a function from R into R, F is a function from R into R, G is a function from R into R, already they have given depend for, these two functions are depend for all the real numbers. Okay, I need to find that G circle F, G circle F of x, this we can write G of F of x, G of, first of all we have to replace the F of x. What is F of x? Cos of x. Now which is of the form G of x, in place of x what is the value? Cos x, wherever x is there replace the cos x, 3 as it is cos of x whole square, this we can write as 3 cos square of x, that's all. Similarly, F circle G, F circle G of x is equal to F of G of x. First of all, we have to replace the inside value, that is the G of x value. What is the G of x value? 3x square is that. Now, which is of the form F of x, in place of x, what is the value? 3x square. Wherever x is there, replace the 3x square. And this is cos of, in place of x, 3x square. That's all. We got the G circle F and as well as the F circle G. That's all. Very simple and important type of the problem for the 2 marks. Okay. Now, F of x is equal to cos of x and G of x is equal to x cube. G of x is equal to x cube. Then find that. Then find G circle F of pi by 3. G circle F of pi by 3 is equal to how much? We need to find the value of this much. Okay. Instead of finding the F circle G, G circle F, I need to find only the G circle F of x. Let's find the first of all G circle F of x. Laterwards we have to replace the x value as a pi by 3, real number, 60 degree we have to replace it. What we can write? G of F of x. First of all, we have to replace the F of x value. What is F of x value? Cos of x. F of x value is over. Now which is of the form? G of x. Here it is a G of x, here it is a x manner. What happens? G of cos x. That means we can write that cos of x whole cube or cos cube of x, whatever, nothing to worry. Now, so we need to find that G circle F of pi by 3. Wherever x is there, replace the pi by 3. That means cos of pi by 3 whole cube. What is the cos of 60? Cos 60 is 1 divided by 2 whole cube. That means 1 divided by 8 is the required value of G circle F of pi by 3. That's all. This type of problems are also might be asked in the examination for 2 marks session or 1 marks session. Now, let's go to the next one. If F of x is equal to, next example, if F of x is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x, provided that x is not equal to the 1, then show that show that f of x is equal to x. The function is given f of x is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x. Whenever x is not equal to 1, then show that f of x is equal to x. Here earlierly we just taken a composition of the two different function, but here in this case we need to find the composition of the same function. But f circle f, this is one more way you can denote f circle f value. In this way also we can write not only composition of the two function, we can take the composition of the more than two function, either 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, several number of functions, n number of function composition also we can take it. So here 3 function, but it is the same value is that, same function is that. Okay, already you know that I need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Function is defined 1 by 1 minus x, provided that x is not equal to 1, except the one remaining all real number, this function is defined. So domain of this function is set of all real number, set of all real number except the plus 1. Okay, I need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. I just consider the LHS. What is LHS? f of x. Okay, come from the inside value. Okay, f as it is, this f of x as it is, this is f of x. What is f of x? f of x is nothing but 1 by 1 minus x. Just observe that what is I am just replacing, where I am just replacing, just observe the position where it is changing, how it is changing. Now this f of x is over. In place of f of x, I just replace the given function. Now which is of the form f of x again. Wherever x is there, replace 1 by 1 minus x. Yes, wherever f of x, here it is x, here it is x, just replace it 1 divided by 1 minus, in place of x, what is value? 1 by 1 minus x, square bracket as it is. Better to simplify this value. Inside the square bracket, simplify. What will get? 1 minus x is the LCM minus 1, that LCM term taken to the numerator. Here it is a plus 1, minus 1 get cancelled, minus x is left, minus I just multiply the numerator, then x minus 1 divided by x, rewritten form, simplified form. Here earlierly just simplified. Here cos of x whole cube, cos cube of x we can write. Here cos of x whole square, 3 cos square x. In the same way just simplify. And now again it is the f of x form. Wherever x is there, replace the value x minus 1 by x, 1 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x. Yes, again LCM. So x is LCM, minus times of x minus 1 divided by x taken to the numerator. What will get? X divided by, this is x minus x plus 1. Plus x minus x get cancelled, x divided by 1, which becomes a x. I got that LHS is equal to RHS. That's all. Very simple way we will get the answer. This is how we have to prove the problems. Okay. Now, very simple concept, composition. Just understand one particular problem, and similarly we can apply the same concept for the remaining all the problems. Okay. Now in the same way, take a one more problem. If f of x is equal to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, provided that, or when x is not equal to the minus 1, then show that f circle, or then show that f of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 divided by x, is equal to minus 1 divided by x. Okay. So it is a little bit similar as like a previous problem. Here we just solved. Okay. Can you able to get it? Yes, pause the video, try to get the answer. Try yourself. Anyhow, either you can get the correct answer, no problem. If you got the wrong answer, just rectify your mistake. Here if people have did the wrong thing, just rectify and try to avoid it. Okay. So here directly one step they have evaluated, that is nothing but, instead of asking that find the f circle f of x is equal to, or instead of asking that show that f circle f of x is equal to minus 1 by x. They have given already replaced. What is f of x? X minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Already it is replaced. Are you sure? Which is nothing but this is the way. So f of x is replaced. Here usually what people used to do, f of x, then f of x is just used to replace it, x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Already they have replaced it, that's all. Now one step they have made it as easier. Okay, simplify. Now that one only I need to simplify. I need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. Domain of this function is set of all the real number s of the minus 1. Okay, LHS part. What is that? F of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is f of x manner in place of x. This is the value x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 is that. Replace it, simplify, we will get the answer is equal to wherever x is there, x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 1 as it is divided by x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus 1. Now take LCM and simplify, we will get the answer. Numerator x minus 1 minus times of x plus 1 whole thing, x plus 1 LCM term get cancelled, x minus 1 plus times of x plus 1. Here it is a LCM term x plus 1, here also LCM term x plus 1 get cancelled. Okay, if you need you just mention it or directly you can write it, nothing to worry. Okay, now simplify. X minus 1 minus times of this one minus x minus 1 divided by. So this is the x minus 1 plus times of x plus 1. Numerator plus x minus x get cancelled. What is left? Minus 2 is left. Denominator minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. X plus x, 2x is left. 2 to get cancelled. Remaining answer is minus 1 divided by x. Have you got the required RHS value? What is the required RHS value? Minus 1 divided by x, that's all. Minus 1 by x is the required answer. Very simple problem. Sometimes to make the question paper twist, what they used to ask that instead of asking that show that, they used to ask that find the value of f of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Just simplify, we will get the answer. Very simple question. Okay, now take the next one in the same way but little bit lengthy. They have given a question is only lengthy, is that very simple manner. Show that f is a function from R minus singleton set 7 by 5 into R minus singleton set 3 by 5 is defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7, and another function GE is defined from R minus singleton set 3 by 5 into R minus singleton set 7 by 5 is defined by G is another function defined by G of x is equal to 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Then f circle G is equal to identity in the A and G circle f is equal to identity in the set B, where A is equal to R minus singleton set 3 by 5 and the set B is equal to R minus singleton set 7 by 5, where apart from that I suffix A of x, which is nothing but x for all x belong to the set A, and I suffix B of x, which is equal to x for all x belong to the set B, are called identity functions on the set A and B respectively. Identity functions on the set A and B respectively. Here little bit question is lengthy but very simple answer. Read the question carefully and note down. What we need to show that f is a function from r minus singleton set 7 by 5 and r minus singleton set 3 by 5 and defined by f is a function defined by f of x is equal to 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 and another function g is defined by r minus 3 by 5 into r minus 7 by 5 set of real number s of the 3 by 5 set of real number s of the 7 by 5 in this case defined by g of x is equal to 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 then what we need to show then f circle g is the ia and g circle f is the ib. What is the ia and ib? You people already studied that identity relation. What is identity relation? Identity relation is denoted by on a set A is nothing but IA, which is given by only the A comma A pair must be present. Only the order pair A comma A must be present for all the element A present in the given set A. This is said to be a identity relation. So it is obviously it becomes a function. What is the definition of the function? So every element of the first set domain set has a one and only one image on the set B. It satisfy the condition and relation becomes a identity function. Okay, that one only they are given that identity function is that IA is nothing but identity function on the set A, IB is nothing but identity function on the set B. That well, where A is nothing but R minus singleton set 3 by 5. R minus singleton set 3 by 5 is nothing but A. That means this whole set is A and this whole set is the B. Check it, where B is R minus 7 by 5. So this is A, this is a B. Here also it is a A and this is the B, which means that function f is a function from where to where? From the set B to set A. G is a function from where to where? From the set A into B is that. So f is from B into A, G is from A into B is that. So we need to prove that IA of x identity function on the set A is x. This x is present only in the set A, all the elements of the set A. IB of x is nothing but this is the x value will get it, x will get it, whatever the element we just get it, that will get the x. Already know that identity function. What is identity function? F of x is equal to x for all x belong to the domain set R. In the first PUC and there are you people have studied the 7 function. Out of the 7 function, this is the one model. Are you sure about this thing? One identity function, that one only they are given. There I just given the name f of x, but here they are given a IA, IB, that is present, that element present on the which set they are given are called identity functions on the set A. So what we need to prove? What we need to prove means f circle G is equal to IA, G circle B is equal to IB. That means here we have to get the x, here also we have to get it as a x. Identity function we have to get it. Okay, proceed it, nothing to worry. If you need, you can rewrite f of x value or else no problem g of x value. Okay, first of all I just trying to find the f circle g of x. On simplifying, what we have to get? I need to get the x. Okay, f circle g of x is nothing but what? F of g of x. Very simple. F of, first of all replace the g of x. What is the g of x? 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3. Again it is of the form f of x, and I think you people have got my point. Why they are neglected the 7 by 5 in the domain? If I replace the x value as 7 by 5, denominator becomes a 0. If the denominator is 0 means if this function is not defined. That's why they have neglected the 7 by 5. Here also the same thing. Okay, now which is of the form f of x. Now wherever f of x is there, replace it. Wherever x is there, we have to replace this value. Let's replace it. Now what will get? 3 into in place of x 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 plus 4 whole thing divided by 5 into in place of x 7x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 3 minus 7. Just take LCM, simplify, will get the required answer. Okay, so what is the LCM? 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3, numerator denominator LCM is same, directly I just cancel it. Remaining value 3 into 7x plus 4 plus 4 into 5x minus 3. Okay, denominator 5 into 7x plus 4 minus 7 into 5x minus 3 LCM term. Okay, now simplify. How do you simplify? I just continue here. Okay, simplify. Numerator multiply 21x plus 12 minus 4 into the bracket, minus or plus 4 into the bracket 20x, that will get minus 12, whole thing divided by, similarly 35x plus 20 minus 7 into 5x minus 35x minus plus 21. What are the term get cancelled? Here in denominator plus 35x minus 35x get cancelled. Numerator plus 12 minus 12 get cancelled. 21x plus 20x, this will becomes a 41x. 20 plus 21, 41. 41 get cancelled is equal to x. We got the value. What is the value? IA of x. IA value is this got. What is that IA of x? That becomes a x. One condition is over. Similarly, and another condition, F circle G is over. Similarly, G circle F of x. What is the G circle F of x? G of F of x. Just replace the F of x. What is the F of x? 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. I hope you can easily complete this problem. Okay, pause the video, try to solve it. Okay, G of x. Here is my G of x is the 7. Wherever x is there, replace this value 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7. Simplify, we'll get the answer. Okay, what is the value? 7 into 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 plus 4 and 5 into 3x plus 4 divided by 5x minus 7 minus 3. Again taking LCM, simplify, we will get the answer. Yes. So here 5x minus 7 is LCM for the numerator as well as the denominator. 7 into 3x plus 4 plus 4 into 5x minus 7, whole thing divided by 5 into 3x plus 4 minus 3 into 5x minus 7. Open the bracket, simplify, we will get the answer. Okay, 21x plus 28 plus 20x minus 28 divided by 15x plus 20 minus 15x minus plus 21. Here minus 28 plus 28, here plus 15x minus 15x get cancelled. 21x plus 20x, again a 41x, 20 plus 21, 41 get cancelled. Final value is x. Now I got that G circle F is equal to IB of x. G circle F is equal to IB of x. Value is x. That's all. LHS is equal to RHS. We just got the identity function. That means these two functions are said to be a, taking the composition of these two functions, we will get the identity function. What is the meaning of the identity function? If you change the any value of x, the function value is same. If you want to see the graph of the function is like this. That we can say that y is equal to x, provided that consider the y is equal to f of x, we will get the graph. This is said to be a identity function. So already people have studied identity function definition, graph, domain, range of the identity function in the first PUC level. Anyhow, so this is also very important problem for the 5 marks session. So or else sometimes they used to ask that 3 marks question. If they ask 5 marks, 2 marks for this one, 2 marks for this one, and that or a 2 marks, 3 marks, or 3 marks, 2 marks they might have asked it. Sometimes if they ask 3 marks means 1 marks, 2 marks, or a 2 marks, 1 marks for this one. Sometimes they used to divide it. Anyhow, very simple, but you have to clearly understand how to take the composition of the two function. Every problem only the function value is changing. Unless the function value, nothing is very important. It's very simple way we will get the value. Just replacing. Observe the position. Where I am just replacing the x value. How it is changing. Just observe the position very carefully. We will get the idea. Okay. Now, better to go to the next example. Okay. Yes. Let f, g and h are the functions depend from R into R. All the three functions depend from, f is a function from R into R, g is a function from R into R, and as well as h is a function from R into R. Then we need to show that first case, f plus g circle h is equal to f circle h plus g circle h. That is nothing but, what is the exactly meaning of this first condition? Means, so out of the three functions, we can take the sum of the two functions, then take the composition with the third function. This is exactly meaning. So take the sum of the two function and take the composition of the third function is same as third function first of all sum of composition of first and the third function and second and the third function, f circle h plus g circle h. Similarly, second case, product of the two function, composition of the third function, we can say that product of composition of the f circle h and g circle h. Okay, anyhow, so one by one you can easily prove that. First of all, we need to prove that f plus g circle h is equal to, right hand side is required. I just consider one element x which is present in the domain set of the h. So all are having a R into R, nothing to worry, we can easily take the composition. Okay, this we can write f plus g of this circle goes to and h of x, I just write it. Now which is nothing but sum is there, we have to take this h of x is depends for both the function, we can write that f of h of x plus g of h of x. So f of h of x, can I write that f circle h of x, and g of h of x, can I write that g circle h of x. Now just neglect the x, f circle h plus g circle h. That's all, very simple way we got the LHS is equal to RHS. Similarly, product, what is the product? F into g circle h, that we can write f into g circle h of x. What we can write this one? So f into g of h of x, this h of x is depend for both the function. So f of h of x into g of h of x, this we can write f circle h of x into g circle h of x. Finally we can write only the f circle h into g circle h, or else you can, if you need, you just write the bracket. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Very important, for the 2 marks they used to ask it. Now let's go for the next example. If f is the greatest integer function, if f is the greatest integer function and g is the absolute value function, g is the absolute value function, then find the value of f circle g of minus 3 by 2 plus g circle f of 4 by 3. So here f is the greatest integer function and g is the absolute value function. In such case, find the value of f circle g of minus 3 by 2 and g circle f of 4 by 3 we are required to find it. Earlierly they given that f of x is equal to g of x is equal to, now for example, f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to cos x. They used to ask, given this function, and they used to ask that g circle f value, f circle g value is how much, but here they are not given f of x is equal to this much, g of x is equal to this much. They are given in terms of what? Already know that what is the greatest integer function, what is the absolute value function. Absolute value function is nothing but a modulus function, always the absolute positive values. Okay, so I just write the given value. What is the greatest integer function? Greatest integer is nothing but it is defined for all the real number, defined by f of x is equal to greatest integer of x. What is the greatest integer of x? Which assumes the value of x always less than or equal to the x. The function assumes the value always less than or equal to the x. This is said to be the greatest integer. And g is another function, absolute value function. Absolute value function is nothing but modulus function. That's all. Already you know that once upon a time in first PUC, 7 functions, identity function, polynomial function, rational function, and modulus function, signum function, greatest integer function, if you will have studied. So these are the example. So greatest integer function, already know that greatest integer. I think in while solving the relations and the function examples, I have given that how to get that 1 1 on 2. While checking the 1 1 on 2, I just given the how to find the greatest integer of x, which is always assumes the value greatest integer but less than or equal to the x value. Okay. First of all, separately I just find the f circle g and g circle f. First of all, f circle g of x, f of g of x, f of. What is the g of x? G of x is nothing but mod x. G of x is a mod x. Okay. F of x manner. What is the f of x? Mod x is a, one second. Here both are, this is the g of x. What is the g of x? Mod x is there. Now which is of the form? F of x. Wherever x is there, replace the mod x. It is greatest integer of x. So greatest integer of mod x. Greatest integer x value you can take any value, either a positive or a negative. Similarly, and I just write f circle g of, what is the value? Minus 3 by 2 is required. Okay. Already the final value is that greatest integer of mod of minus 3 by 2. Okay. Mod of minus 3 by 2 is nothing but it becomes a positive. So mod is that. If we replace the mod, then what will get? We can write the plus 3 by 2. What is the 3 by 2 value? 3 by 2 is nothing but 1.5. So what is the greatest integer of 1.5? Greatest integer of 1.5 is equal to the 1. Check it. Is it a greatest integer of 1.5 is 1? Yes, obviously. Now, and one more value is there. What is the one more value? G circle f of x I just find it. First of all, later also you can replace the x value. Or else directly you can solve it. Nothing to worry. Okay. G of f of x. What is the f of x value? First of all, f of x value is greatest integer of x. G of x manner. Mod of greatest integer of x. Okay. Now we need to find that g circle f of x value is how much? G circle f of 4 by 3 is that. Okay. Final value mod of greatest integer of 4 by 3. Mod of, what is the greatest integer of 4 by 3? 4 by 3 is nothing but what? So 1.3 approximately. What is the greatest integer of 1.3? 1.3 greatest integer is nothing but 1. Mod 1 is equal to the 1. Now here I have two values, we just got it. Now the given expression. What is the given expression? F circle g of minus 3 by 2 plus g circle f of 4 by 3. Now, what is the value? F circle g of minus 3 by 2 value is already we got how much? That is a 1 plus g circle f of 4 by 3 value also we just found out, that is also 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. It is a 3 marks question. Very simple. Finding this one 1 marks, finding this one 1 marks, and getting the final required expression value 1 marks. Or else you can simultaneously solve the given expression value, will get the correct full marks. Nothing to worry. So this is how they will ask the questions on the composition of the two function. In the same way, take one more problem on the composition. These are all the exercises. Just for your understanding purpose, I just taken a different problem. Or else you can do this one as a homework. Laterwards I will give it in the assignment work. So better to go to the one standard condition. Show that if f is a function from a into b and g is another function from b into c are 1 1. These two functions are 1 1 function. Then g circle f is a function from a into c is also 1 1. G circle f is a function is also 1 1 function. We have to prove it. Okay. So they have given f is one function from a into b, g is another function from b into c. Two functions they are given. Those two functions they are telling that 1 1. Those two given functions are 1 1. 1 1 means it is different element have the different images. Different element have the different images are there. Then composition of these two function, particularly we have already know that composition of two function may not be satisfied the commutative law, particularly G circle f. G circle f is from a into c is also a 1 1. Given two functions are 1 1, then their composition G circle f is also a 1 1. Now f is that here it is a domain set f, second function f is that domain, and this is the codomain set of the G. Okay, they have only given that. What is the given? F and g are the 1 1 function. Okay, what I need to prove? This function is a 1 1. 1 1. How do check the 1 1 of the given function? Suppose f is any function and defined by f of x is equal to some value they have given. Then usual process we know that how to check the 1 1. Let x1 x2 belong to the domain set. Consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Simplifying, if you got x1 is equal to x2, then conclude that it is a 1 1 function. If x1 is not equal to x2, then conclude that it is not a 1 1. Already know that. The same process I just proceeded, but instead of the f, what is the function? Which function we have to check or show it is a 1 1? A G circle f is equal to, so it is a 1 1. So for 1 1, let x1 and x2, two different element belong to the domain set of the function. What is the domain set of the function? That is the domain set is a. Now consider G circle f of x1 is equal to G circle f of x2. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? This is a single function. After taking the composition, we will get the single function. That single function having a two different element or two different element have the same image under the function G circle f. What is exactly meaning of this one? x1 and x2 are the two different function have the same image under the function G circle f. On simplifying, we have to get the x1 is equal to x2. How do you simplify? Take the composition manner that we can write g of f of x1. Similarly, here also we can write g of f of x2. Now, what we can write next up? Can I write it as a f of x1 is equal to f of x2? Here g get cancelled. How the g get cancelled here? Actually, usually process we know that in algebra 2x is equal to 2y were there, then 2 to get cancelled, you just used to write that x is equal to y. Algebra you used to do that, but in the function it is not a number, it is not a constant, then same constant is that we can cancel. But here it is a function, it is not in that way, algebra way. What is exactly the reason means? It is already they are given g is a 1 1 function. G is a 1 1 function, that's why we can neglect that g. How? Usually you just used to write that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Then after getting that x1 is equal to x2. If you got x1 is equal to x2, then you can conclude that f is a 1 1 function. But here they only given that g is a 1 1 function. G is a 1 1 function means this is nothing but a one element under the function g. This is also one element under the function g. So those two elements must be equal because of g is a 1 1. That's all. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Again, f get cancelled. What we can write? X1 is equal to x2. How the f is cancelled? Due to the reason that is f is a 1 1 function, because they only given that f is a 1 1 function. Therefore it cancel. We just got as x1 is equal to x2. I just consider G circle f x1 x2, then we just got the x1 is equal to x2. Then what we can give the final conclusion that G circle f is a 1 1 function. G circle f is a 1 1 function. Are you clear about this one? Very simple. Why it cancel? It is not like algebra. It is due to the reason G is 1 1, their images, their elements must be same. F is a 1 1, therefore these two elements must be same. That's why I just consider in this way. Very important. derivation. Okay, now one more problem is there, very important, and take it. Let f is a function from that 2, 3, 4, 5 into 3, 4, 5, 9, and g is another function from 3, 4, 5, 9 into 7, 11, 15. Be the functions defined as f of 2 is 3, f of 3 is 4, f of 4 is 5, as well as f of 5 is 5, and g of 3 is 7, as well as g of 4 is 7, and g of 5 is 11, as well as g of 9 is also 11. Then find g circle f of x, where x is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then find g circle f of x, provided that x is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. First of all, let us understand the clear meaning of the given question. What is the meaning of the given question? First of all, f is a function from the set 2, 3, 4, 5. I just name this set as the A. Set A contains 2, 3, 4, 5, and I just call this set as the B, having elements 3, 4, 5, 9. Here also 3, 4, 5, 9 is there. G is a function from B, and it is a different function. So can I say that f is a function from A into B, g is a function from B into C? Is it g circle f is possible? Yes, g circle f is possible, but not a f circle g is possible. Hello? Only the g circle f is possible, f circle g is not possible. Okay, that's why they are given that g circle f only they are going to ask it. Okay, now here they are given the images particularly. Instead of giving that f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to cos x, or f of x is equal to some other value, they are given in this way. Image of 2 under the function f is 3, image of 3 under the function f is 4, image of 4 under the function f is 5, similarly image of 5 under the function f is 5. Similarly, they are given images of different elements of the function g. Using this one, I need to find it. Okay, anyhow, I need to find that g circle f of x. This we can write g of f of x. Okay, provided that x value is 2, 3, 4, 5. That means images we need to find. Okay, at x is equal to 2, what happens? G of f of 2. What is the g of f of 2? Yes, composite function definition. What is the f of 2? Already you know the f of 2. What is that? 3 is that. Yes, f of 2 is nothing but 3. What is the g of 3? G of 3 is nothing but 7. That's all. We got the answer. Similarly, at x is equal to 3. Now, what is that? G circle f of 3. That we can write g of f of 3. Yes, g as it is. Do you know the f of 3? Yes, f of 3 value is how much? 4. Do you know the g of 4? What is the g of 4? That value is 7. That's all. Similarly, at x is equal to 4, and g circle f of 4. What is that? G of f of 4. What is that? G of. Do you know the f of 4? What is f of 4? 5 is that. Do you know the g of 5? Yes, g of 5 is nothing but 11. That we are nothing but images of the element 2, 3, 4, 5 under the function g circle f. The images we are finding. Okay. Similarly, at x is equal to 5, g circle f of 5. What is value? G of f of 5. What is the g? F of 5. F of 5 is nothing but 5. G of 5 is nothing but 11. That's all. We got the required elements as like this. Hence the solution of the given particular problem. Okay. So this is how we have to take the composition of the function. Now here, based on the composition, we solve the several problems. So just practice it until here, this exercise. Now the next class, I am just going to start the inverse of the function, invertible function or inverse of the function will continue in the next video. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.